How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to go back to Robinhood to check out on our portfolio, on our daily review. As you see right now, we're at $8,257.37, which actually, since last video, our portfolio actually went up. Our portfolio actually went up, and that's crazy. All right. So today it went up 11.23%, which is $837.75. And after hours, it is down 0.48%, which is $39.97. And in the past week, we're down 43.37%, which is $6,322.90. Past month, we're down 77.2%, which is $27,961.45. Past 3 months, we're down 50%, which is $8,300. And in the past year, we're down 13.55%, which is just $1,294.74. And as you see, I did in fact sell off my other contract that I had. Let's see. Let's look at it. I did sell out of this contract. You see, on March 18th, I bought a call option, the 254 call at $2.99, and I sold it for $3.80. So I made about $80. And today I bought a put option for $362, and right now it is down to $293. So it is, I'm down 69%. I mean $69 on it, 19%. I didn't buy anything else because today was a green day, so there was not that much opportunity to buy. I actually really wanted Tesla stock to get down to 200, at least at $200, $299, so I can start buying some more of this because I really want to get back to a huge position on Tesla. Low 300s, I'll start it if it ever gets to that low. If it starts getting to the low 300s, I'll buy. Under 320 is when I'll start buying Tesla. Under 320. But let's go over all our individual stocks. First, we have here Square. Today was up 1.27%, and after hours was down 2.5%, and it's at $39. The past week, down 31.27%. Past month, down 52.25%. Past 3 months, down 39.6%. Past year, down 48.81%. I have 14 shares. My average cost is really high at $64.98. I'm down 39.99%, which is $362.78. Next one, Facebook at $150. Today it was up 4.2%. After hours was down 1.46%. Past week, down 7.7%. Past month, down 29.34%. Past 3 months, down 27.27%. And the past year, it is down 6.56%. I have 9 shares. My average cost is at $177.86. I'm down 15.16%, which is $242.62. Next one, Nvidia at $210 right now. It was up 5% today and down 1.25% after hours. In the past week, it is down 8.76%. Past month, down 26.38%. Past 3 months, down 11.69%. And the past year, it is up 18.89%. I have 5 shares. My average cost is at $193.60. I think one of the only ones that I'm actually up on. It is up 8.62%, which is $83.49. Next one, Uber at $20.02. Today it was up 38.26%. And after hours, it was down 2.29%. Past week is down 60.62%. Past month, down 49.3%. Past 3 months, down 33.49%. Past year, down 55.51%. I have 44 shares. My average cost is at $34.02. I'm down 41.15%, which is $615.90 in the red. Next one, Roku. It's at $73.69, up 9.81% today. After hours is down 0.58%. Past week's down 10.91%. Past month down 44.03%. Past 3 months it is down 47.42%. And the past year it is down it is up 14.48%. I have 18 shares. My average cost is really high, $118.85. I am down 38%, which is $812.91. Next one is IIPR. It's at $50 right now. It was up 11.03% today, and after hours it is down 3.18%. And the past week it is down 28.99%. Past month down 50% exactly. 3 months down 32.26%, and the past year it is down 43.12%. I have 20 shares. My average cost is at $103.68, and I am down 51.77%, which is $1,073.56. Next one, ACB, it is at 68 cents. down 5 point. It was up 5.87% today, and after hours it is up 3.67%. Past week it is down 10.08%. Past month down 56.03%. Past 3 months down 69.65%. Past year it is up 92.99%. I have 4,646 shares. My average cost $1.85, and I'm down 63.01%, which is $5,429.32. Next one is Canopy Growth. It's at $10.60. Today it is up 11.31% and down 2.12% after hours. Past week is down 11.15%. Past month down 52.59%. Past 3 months down 47%. Past year it is down 76.92%. I have 124 shares right now. My average cost is at $22.78. I am down 53.46%, which is $1,509 into the red. Next one, AMD at 39.40, up 1.79%, but down 1.05% after hours. Past week down 6.64%. Past month down 28.29%. Past 3 months down 9.3%. Past year it is up 48.74%. I have 3 shares. Average cost at $41.01. And I'm down 3.93%, which is just $4.83. Next one, Apple at 243.50, down 0.77% today, but after hours it is down even more, which is down 0.52%. Past week down 8.11%. Past month down 22.79%. Past 3 months down 13.72%. Past year it is up 30.75%. I have 2 shares at $249.03, which is down 2.22%, which is $11.06 in the red. Shopify, it's at $325.50, down 1.29% today. And after hours, it is down 2.11%. In the past week, it is down 19.43%. In the past month, down 39.04%. Past 3 months, down 17.9%. And in the past year, it is up 62.32%. I have 1 share. My average cost is at $335. And I'm down 2.86%, which is $9.59. Next one is Microsoft. It's $141.80. Up 1.65% today, and is down 0.64% after hours. In the past week, it is down 3.89%. In the past month, it is down 23.6%. In the past 3 months, it is down 9.88%. And in the past year, it is up 20.79%. I have 3 shares. Average cost is $137.56. Total return, I'm up 3.08%, which is just $12.73. And last but not least is Planet Fitness. It is at $32.25. It is up 18.41% today, but after hours it is down 1.1%. Past week it is down 38.49%. Past month down 62.72%. Past 3 months down 56.25%. And in the past year it is down 52.62%. My average cost is at $50.73. I'm down 36.43%, which is $110.90. And the way it seems with futures, it looks like whatever gains happen today are going to go down tomorrow. So be on the lookout for that. I'm probably gonna be buying some stuff tomorrow. I do work tomorrow, so I'll probably be posting a video very late, but keep an eye on that. Anyways, but drop a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another update video.